What if you could tap into more of your brain's natural focus and creativity and without apps, training, or hours of practice? Today I'm taking an honest look at something called the Genius Song. No hype, no miracle promises, just what it actually is, what binaural beats really do, and who this is for. If you've been feeling like your mind isn't as sharp as it used to be, stick with me. This might be worth a few minutes of your time. If you're like a lot of us past 45, this might sound familiar. You start a task and lose focus halfway through. A great idea pops up, but it fizzles before you act on it. You feel like you're working harder than ever, yet not really getting ahead. Maybe you've tried meditation apps and brain games or supplements, and nothing really stuck. Here's the reassuring part. That mental fog is incredibly common, and it may not be your fault. So what exactly is the Genius Song? It's a simple digital audio program built on something called binaural beat technology. When you listen through headphones, each ear hears a slightly different frequency. Your brain naturally responds by settling toward what's known as the Theta state, the relaxed, focused state that's been linked in research to creativity, calm, and that feeling of being in flow. You're not forcing anything, you just listen and let the sound do the gentle work. Now, what makes people stick with it? Mostly, it's how simple it is. You don't need any meditation experience. You don't need to clear your schedule or learn an app. You put on headphones, press play, and relax. That's the whole routine. It's just a few minutes a day, and you can fit it in first thing in the morning, on a break, or before bed. There's no homework and nothing to master. What do people actually report? And the most common things you'll hear are sharper, steadier focus, ideas that flow a little more easily, a calmer mind and better rest, and a more open, positive mindset through the day. I do want to be straight with you, individual results vary. This is a wellness audio tool, not medical advice or a cure, and it's best to treat it that way. So who is this really for? It might be a good fit if your mind feels foggier than it used to, if you hit creative blocks or feel short on inspiration, if you want to learn faster and remember more, or if you simply feel stuck and want a fresh mental reset. And if you've been curious about meditation but never knew where to start, this is about as easy an entry point as it gets. If you can use a pair of headphones, you can use this. If you want to try it, here's how it works. The Genius Song is available online only. You won't find it in stores. The official link is in the description below this video. It comes with a money-back guarantee, so you can try it for yourself with very little risk. And just so we're clear, the link below is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission if you purchase at no extra cost to you. So here's my honest take. Binaural beats are a real, well-studied tool, and the Genius Song makes them about as simple as it gets, just a few minutes a day. If you've been wanting to support your focus and creativity in a low-effort way, I think it's worth exploring. Just remember, results vary, and this isn't medical advice. If this was helpful, a like and a subscribe really do help, and you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.